Influencer marketing is a trend that won't disappear anytime soon. From social media takeovers to partnering with an influencer over the course of their career, here are 6 types of influencer marketing campaigns you could utilize for your brand. Let's dive in. 1. Sponsored social media post. A sponsored social media post incorporates your brand's logo or product into an influencer's social media post. This type of influencer marketing campaign shows the influencer's interaction with your product or service. 2. Live streaming. Live streaming occurs when an influencer goes live on their social media account to promote your brand to their followers. Live streaming enables influencers to connect with their followers in real time, allowing them to answer questions and share their insights about your brand. 3. Social media takeover. A social media takeover occurs when you allow an influencer to publish social media posts using your brand's official account, which usually lasts for a day to increase your followers and brand awareness. Social media takeover content typically includes a day in the influencer's life using your product or service, influencers attending your event while sharing their perspective. 4. Gifting, unboxing, and reviewing. Send an influencer your product or services for free. In return, the influencer will record and post an unboxing of your product on their social media account or publish a product review of how they enjoyed one of your services. Gifting is an opportunity for influencers to get first-hand experience with your product and enables you to build relationships with prospective influencers for a longer period. 5. Contests and giveaways. Contests occur when an influencer asks their followers to engage in challenges such as answering questions, liking or commenting on a post, following your brand, or tagging someone, while using your brand's hashtags. They allow your brand to attract followers, increase brand awareness, and boost customer engagement. 6. Long-term brand ambassador programs. Unlike other influencer marketing campaigns, a brand ambassador, as someone who represents your brand, can promote your brand for a longer period, instead of a one-time collaboration, depending on the terms you both agree to. Now that you learned how you can benefit from a partnership with an influencer, don't waste your time. And if you find the process of discovering, contacting, assessing, and selecting influencers for your marketing campaigns a little too tedious or stressful, it might be time to consider partnering with the experts. We can help you there. Reach out.